Sabaturanga tu ina nonta matin tu levo biti. Tapi saya cuma ngoni turang anak presiden nonta matin tu. Tu sahabat tu ni pun wali lagi.
Levo. Masalah sa sahabat tu nanti mana baru boleh bingkai. Ya, lu sambulan le. Sambulan minister. The ambassador, members of the Fijian family here at Geneva, on behalf of Filo and I, and the Honorable Minister, and the Anthony and the Dimple, and also my team here. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank you for this wonderful ceremony. Welcoming the team here to Geneva. Thank you for the Fijians that are still here. Thank you for the tradition, and thank you for reminding us the importance of observing culture wherever we are in the world. It shows that how unique and how special we are to observe and always have this tradition to all those members of the family that come by Geneva or elsewhere by presenting the himself and something which I think is always unique to all Fijians. And again, I thank you for this ceremony this evening. And I also bring the Lolomas from Fiji. All the best wishes to all the families here, and also just to come and let you know that everybody is so eager to work in Fiji. We've got this new team of leaders here, and everybody is getting out of their comfort zone in Fiji, trying to build a new Fiji. And we are so looking forward to see that we have a bright future for our future generations in the years to come. As you know, we've just had our elections last year, and I think this is one election that will go on in history. It has never been achieved before to get the balloting numbers, and nobody ever thought that would come. And for us in the office, for me and my official secretary in the ADC, and my wife, we also had a hard time trying to see. It was really a challenging period for us, but thank God there is, we all have our faith, and we all have values. We all have our principles that we need to observe and always uphold, whatever the situation may be. And here's the outcome that we are here today. And with those few words again, thank you for the support, and thank you for the continued support to members of the Fiji government that come to your shores. Again, good afternoon, sir.